Welcome to the Pro Cut AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to add sound effects to your video in Pro Cut AI. Once you upload your video from local, your auto captions will be generated. Now you can add sound effects to your video. Just click on the sound icon. Choose the sound of your choice for your captions. When you click on Save, your sound will be added to your caption.
There's this big question of how do you do age verification? And I can tell you what the easiest way is, which is all right, every
Thanks for watching the video.